How to deactivate your Facebook account but keep Messenger. Open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the profile icon below the Messenger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to find the Settings and Privacy section. Tap on it. Now select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Account Center section, press the See More in Account Center option. You can see personal details in the segment called Account Settings. Tap on it. Then, click on Account Ownership and Control. Press the Deactivation or Deletion option. Select your Facebook account. Next, choose to deactivate profile and continue. Enter your password and continue. Choose a reason why you want to deactivate your Facebook profile and continue. Finally, tap on the Deactivate My Profile button. The Facebook account has been successfully deactivated now. Let's head to the Messenger app. As you can see, after deactivating my Facebook profile, I can still use the Messenger app. This is how you can deactivate your Facebook account but keep Messenger.